I was just about to film and a package came from Maya Crystals. Thanks to you guys who watch my videos. Okay, yeah, thanks to you guys who watch my videos, and I recommend some stones. You guys order stuff and Maya Crystals is thankful for that. So they send me some stones as a thank you. So we help each other out here. Okay. Let's see what we got. Wow. There's a lot here. Woo. Chevron amethyst, mookite, it looks like. Okay. African amethyst. You guys know I like my amethyst. Carved labradorite. Let me take these out. Carved labradorite. That's really pretty. Picture jasper, rose quartz. Those are cool. Snowflake obsidian and charoite. Charoite, ooh, that's cool. Look how deep purple that is. That's cool too. This is an example of all the stones they have available at Maya Crystals. I highly recommend them. Good people to work with. Very nice over there. Abalone shell and carnelian. Ooh, I need more carnelian too. Very nice. If you caught one of my last videos, I wire wrapped an amethyst. That was from Maya Crystals. I'll link that video above. Okay, so what we got here? A lizardite and a moth-tailed jasper. Those are cool. I haven't heard of those before. What's nice too is when you go look at their stones on their Facebook page, they give a nice description of the stone and its background and stuff. Ooh, Larimar. One of my favorites. Looks like the ocean. Rhodotrolite. That's really nice too. Really nice. A labradorite and a sticktite. Oh, I like the flash in that. Matches my nails, which I've been buffing things in these nails. It's time to go. A sticktite, nice purple. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, what we got here? Hessonite. Oh, I love Hessonite. And a silver Milani. I don't know. I don't know what that says. I'll have to go to their Facebook and check it out. But this is a Hessonite garnet. Isn't that luscious? I have a faceted Hessonite that I made into a ring. Ooh, this one's cool too. Looks metallic. See that sheen? Whatever that says. Golden obsidian, or obsidian, and peach aventurine. That has a little sheen to it too. How fun. Pitersite, a nullite, and a pitersite, which is, of course, one of my favorites. One of my favorites. This is a nullite. That kind of looks like a tiger eye. Ooh, that's really cool. You got that shimmer. I'm going to look that up. All the ones I don't know, I got to look up and see what they say about it. That's a cool pitersite too. How exciting. This last one is a starburst. Ooh, that looks fun. Looks like little palm trees. That's so cool. All right. That is a lot. I didn't expect all that. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Maya Crystals. There's everything. All my goodies. All right. Okay, so yeah. If you want to check them out for yourself, just go to Facebook, search the groups for Maya Crystals Store, and they have pages and pages and pages of all the stones they offer. Lots of cabochons. They even have faceted stones, like calibrated small facets, like, 5mm rounds and so on. Check it out for yourself. I'm already getting inspired. I'm excited. Thank you, thanks again. And you guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time. Bye.